hello everybody. We are ready to help you make your Mother's Day present. And what we have going on here is I have my granddaughter here helping me because she is making a Mother's Day present for her mother. The first thing you need to do is print out your tags. On the piece of paper that the document is attached. Go ahead and print those out, as many as you want. We're just going to make 9. We just printed out one sheet. One sheet makes 9 tea bags. So you print those out and then you cut them out. Now remember, they are all different shapes. There's 3 different shapes.
3.
Because it depends on what your, that's upside down. What your tag looks like on your tea bag, which one that you will use. And we've already practiced with one of them. We chose the tea, this one, the tea bag that looked, the tag that looked like that. And this is what your finished product is going to look like. I'm going the wrong way. The second step after you print out your paper and you cut out your tags, the second step that you do is you pick out your tea bags. Now in my house, there's lots and lots of choices for tea bags because I really like tea.
She drinks it more than coffee.
We have a ton of choices of tea bags in my house. In your house, there might only be one kind of tea to choose from, and that's fine. It doesn't really matter. Whatever your mom likes is the kind you want to choose. So the first one that my granddaughter chose was a spiced chai because my daughter likes that a lot. Mm-hmm. And now the second one that she's chosen.
I don't really like it. It's spicy to me.
The second one she chosen, it says lemon lavender. I wrote on the tags as we took them out of the bags so we would know which one was which, because we're going to also write on the tags that we stick on these. So the second step after you pick out your 9 tea bags is to write on the tag when you take them out of the bag so that you know what tea is what. All right, now you're going to match the tag as best you can to one of these choices down here. So Belle is picking out the next tag. That's the tag that's going on the lemon lavender. After you do that, you can get, we're using Sharpies because I brought my box home. So you can use Sharpies. If you don't have Sharpies, you can use a pen. You can use regular markers. You can use crayons or colored pencils even if you have them. Any of those things would work. Anything that will write on the tag. Then what's the next step we do, Belle?
We write the name of it, the tea.
We label the tag. So this one says lemon lavender here because that's the kind of tea that it is. And she is going to write lemon lavender on the tag. I'm going to bring it down so you can see what she's doing. Right on the tag, there's 2 sides to each of these tags. One side has writing on it already, and the other side you'll notice was blank, and it has, some of them had lines I thought, but maybe not. And so then what she did is she just wrote right on that blank side. Lemon lavender is what it says.
Next, you have to glue.
The next step
glue it on.
is glue. If you have a glue stick, that's what you're going to do next. Let me bring it down so you can see how she's gluing it on there. If you do not have a glue stick, you can use regular glue. If you don't have a glue stick and you don't have regular glue, you can use a stapler. I probably wouldn't use hot glue. If you don't have any of those things, you could even tape it on. Okay, what's the next step, Belle?
You put it in.
You put the tag inside. Before you fold it down, let me show them what that looks like. Oh.
Woo!
You try not to drop it on the floor.
Do not do what I just did.
Okay, so you put the tag inside. Oh, the glue is sticking to my fingers. See how the tag is glued in there and the string is outside because you want it to dangle. And then what do you do, Belle?
You smush it down.
You fold it right in half.
And there you go. You have your tea bag.
You fold it right in half so that on one side it has the printed words and on the other side has your words. And you can also decorate these if you want to put a little heart on there for your mom. You can do that, or a flower, whatever you think she would like. Then you set them aside to dry and you move on to your next tea bag. And when they are all finished, when you have all of them labeled, you can put them in a little bag for your mom, and you can even decorate the bag if you want to. If all you have at home is a baggie, because I know some of you can't even go out and do any kind of shopping, and I don't want you to have to. If all you have is a baggie, get a baggie and decorate it. If you have some stickers at home or if you have markers work on baggies, you can do that as well. And then give it to your mom on Mother's Day. And there you have your Mother's Day gift for your mom. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. if you're watching this on Tuesday. Bye, guys. Say bye, Bill.
Bye.